Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Make sure the game and your platform client are fully patched, then verify game files to restore corrupted assets. Once done, remove any mods or mod managers that weren't cleanly uninstalled because leftover plugins often crash. Next, set Windows to high performance and disable overlays from Steam, Discord, and graphics drivers. These interfere with new Vegas rendering. This sequence reduces variable causes quickly, so you can move to targeted fixes with a cleaner baseline. Once baseline is clean, install NVSC and the official community bug fixes to patch engine limitations. These change how scripts and memory behave. Then adjust INI values, lock frame pacing with I present interval, set INUM-HW threads cautiously, and lower UGrids to load to 5 to reduce memory pressure. If the game still crashes, enable the 4GB enabler for the exe. Also run the executable as administrator and try Windows 7 compatibility. You finish by testing stability in short sessions and reintroducing mods one at a time so you can spot the offending plugin. Make sure to collect crash evidence, NVSE logs, Fallout NV, INI snapshots, and Windows Event Viewer entries to identify patterns. If crashes persist after targeted fixes, create a fresh install and test with a new save or profile, because some corruption is save-specific. One key tip: always backup saves before changes. If things go wrong, restore the last known working save and repeat the isolation steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.